What's up guys, my name is Ikari. Welcome back to my channel Golden Roots. In this video I wanted to talk about my recent retwists, and I just did the August retwist show, so in month 10, and it's been 10 months since I had these Microlocs. So I really had some lock damage here, and I did speak in my other video that I was going to talk about how I'm going to add on hair. So I kept pieces of hair on the side just so that you guys can see how I attach it. I tried different methods of using this these pieces, but it didn't look so authentic, so I just wanted to show you guys on what I decided to do. A bit itchy because some parts are a bit tight. I was trying to make the partings as clean as possible. I had some locks that were thinning and I literally had to pull out because there was no other way of fixing that. So be careful of any lock thinning. I did combine most of my locks, and the results are, it's always different journey for everyone, but I'm really embracing every part of it. So I just wanted to show you guys, I really have some lock damage here. I'm gonna zoom in a bit for you guys. I had locks fall out from this side, so I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So there's some that I actually just decided, you know what, it's better to just cut off and just kind of attach, the locks. And then there was one from my last video, the one in the front. I've still been doing partings. I now have a middle line. So this is all with sectioning and trying to pull off hair and whatnot. So I wanted to show you guys how I attach these locks. I decided that it's basically best to just use human hair and help my locks grow, because the ones that I have here are honestly damaged, y'all. If you guys have another method that you've used, this is, for example, this is just the human hair I'll be using to attach. It's a bit darker if you compare the two. This is a lock that I had, that had fallen and would have been attached like so, but I've found it difficult to kind of unravel the lock, and kind of, if I do crochet it, it ends up a bit too thick because I already have that much length on it. So even attaching that to the other parts of it, you'd either need a crochet, not a crochet hook, a locking hook that you also can get done. I just feel like maybe my hair needs to just start the way it is, and I'm just using human hair to, and I'll leave a link for the hair that I'm using. I'm just using human hair to kind of grow that part. So if you find that you have lock damage, this is a method that I thought I would use so that I don't have to go through so much. So I first of all have to make sure I've cut enough. Alright, and I'm not using too much because my locks are not thick. Make sure that you know exactly the size of the lock that you're using, and I'm just going to go in with that. Okay, I just have to make sure the hair is well parted and the hair looks authentic enough. It's just that it's not colored, like it's not colored on the ends like the way I had color in my lock. I think that's enough length. So I decided that I was gonna do that. So I'll just quickly take you guys through it and zoom in. I did the first one. And another tip is to make sure that your hair is thick enough. I realized that this was a bit thin. I might just change it or leave it, I don't know. But remember, I was also trying to go for the Microloc look, so I'm just not sure now on size. But make sure that when you are going with your size, maybe compare with the lock this size. And the problem I was still facing, as you can see, this is how this one looks. And you just make sure you sometimes just twisting, and so that it's just kind of straight and not crooked, because they do thin out. And also right now I started doing the 2-point rotation. I used to do the 4-point, and I have this lock that I'm going to work on, and I'll try and make the hair a bit thicker than what I picked. So I feel like that would be too thick, but we'll see. If they're gonna blend in, that's fine. I didn't do this with the lock extensions, but I just felt like this method was really going to help me kind of try and grow the ones that were damaged. So I'll finish this and I'll be back and show you guys with the end video. Alright guys, so I'm back with fixing those locks, and the hair seems to be blended. Like I said, the ends aren't exactly like, you know, the color that I had. And I'm just trying to show you guys side by side how they are. So I'm just gonna undo my retwist and I'll zoom out. So this is a new retwist, y'all, and that's how the hair is looking. I had tried to part my hairs and section them properly. I'm still working on neat partings and showing you guys neater parts and everything. So that's the new retwist, and I'm praying that these blend in. As you can see, it's kind of standing out. It was at the one, but hopefully it should blend in. So that's just the Microloc update for this month, and trying to fix them. But off Amazon, I'll leave a link below. It'll be nice to see how it works. I noticed that a lot of people do use mousse as well after a retwist, so I don't know what you guys think about mousse. If anyone's tried this, let me know. I am not telling you guys to get this. Alright, I'm just saying I'm using it for my locks. So I just want to see how it's like. Smells nice. if I do see any flyaways like right now, this is the perfect time to trim them. This is how I'll be able to tell how long. That's all the extension hair, guys. All right, it's not my hair, so I'm just trying to make sure that they are not sticking out too much. Eventually they will blend in. These front ones I've noticed, because they weren't twisted together, then they're not really blending in, but that's the other one I did, and these. So I just have to braid them in the night routine, and I will be able to show you guys in a month's time how they are. But that's my Microloc update, and I just thought that it would be nice to share with you guys how I am doing. So until next time, if you're new to my channel, remember to subscribe, thumbs up this video, guys. All right, thumbs up so that you don't miss videos like this. I'm always happy to share with you guys with what I'm learning and what I'm doing. And so far I am liking my locks so far, and I'm liking my locks, and I really feel like they're really transitioning. We're in month 10, y'all, and I will update you every month on how the hair is. So remember to thumbs up this video, and remember to subscribe if you like content like this.